Welcome to the SigniFlow Academy. We are excited to introduce you to our enhanced workflow engine, designed to bolster efficiency and enhance your user experience. Let's dive in. After logging in, you will still see the current workflow system you are familiar with. To switch to the new system, simply switch on the toggle to try the new workflow engine and watch as your dashboard transforms. Welcome to your new SigniFlow workspace. The new engine speeds up document delivery, workflow creation, and task execution. Get more done in less time with fewer clicks. On the top left, you can now access and edit your profile settings. Moving over to the right, the system now displays your signature as it will appear on documents you sign. To change it, simply click on the signature. Here you can choose to use a signature font, draw your signature, or upload a scanned copy of your signature. Be sure to try the new SigniFlow default font signature, which was crafted by SigniFlow to ensure you deliver beautiful, professional, and consistent documents. The new basic signature introduces a basic digital signature design with date stamp, specifically for use in countries that demand this for compliance with government digital signature policy. Below, you can toggle more advanced options, like including the time, date, and your names in the signature, or even switch the order of your first and family names around. The system now automatically saves what you do, so simply exit the pop-up screen when done. Need to immediately create a workflow? No problem. Simply drag your document into the Enhanced drop zone or click on Add Document to choose an alternate source. To upload multiple documents from your device, simply hold the Control button down while selecting multiple files. Let's first dive into the Enhanced workspace before we continue setting up a workflow. Managing your tasks have never been easier. Simply click on Needs Your Attention to expand and unlock the new document management interface. For convenience and efficiency, your attention is immediately drawn to your outstanding tasks. Here, all documents in need of your attention are neatly grouped together. A folder icon means that the document is part of a portfolio, which could have multiple documents listed under one portfolio ID. To learn more about portfolios and how to effectively use them, please visit our website and follow the Academy link to advanced user training. To get more information on a specific document, tap the down arrow to preview the document. View the audit log, workflow information, or see the geolocation information captured by the workflow system. The next section groups your portfolios and those shared with you. Think of a portfolio as a document folder. There can be one or many documents stored in a portfolio. Get information on a portfolio and its documents by expanding the view. The document section displays all documents in the system. It groups the documents by status, like pending, circulating, or completed. To get information on a document and its flow, simply expand the view. Now, let's get busy and send a document for signing. Using the new system, in this video, we are only going to touch on the basics. Please watch our follow-up series to be released in Q4 of 2024 to discover and learn about more advanced workflow features and functionality. To start a workflow, simply drop a document in the document drop zone or upload one or more documents from your device. The system will automatically adjust the display to fit your screen size. To adjust the document size, simply choose a display percentage from the drop-down in the top bar. The new system is all about efficiency, fewer clicks, and faster execution of repetitive tasks. When uploading a document, the document is automatically added to a new portfolio. The new portfolio is named after the first document you uploaded. To change the name, simply click on the pen icon to edit. You can add as many documents as you like to the workflow by simply uploading more. You can expand a document into page thumbnails. Clicking on the thumbnail will load the selected document into the viewer. You can change the order of documents by dragging them into place. The 3 dots on the thumbnail open more options, like applying templates, scanning for auto tags, renaming the document, or adding document placeholders. A placeholder is used by the signer to upload supporting documents, like a copy of their ID, into the portfolio when signing a document. Please watch our video on auto tagging to learn how this templating technique can save you a bunch of time by automating repetitive workflow creation. Click Next to add people to your workflow. First, choose whether you want the signers to sign with our built-in, more advanced secure digital signature or with the faster basic electronic signature. To learn the difference between these signatures, please visit our website. You can add anyone new by simply entering their details. As you type, the typing assistant will filter to names you've added before. To add yourself, simply click Add Yourself. Choose the required action or leave on Needs to Sign if the recipient is a signer. Hit Save and repeat this action to add more people to your workflow. If you have more than one person in the workflow and want them to sign in a specific order, tick Set Signing Order and either type the sequence or drag the cards into a different order. To group signers in a parallel workflow, simply give them the same number and specify how many people in the group needs to sign. When done setting up your workflow, choose Next to place fields on the document. First, select the person you want to add fields for from the drop-down. Placing fields has never been easier. Simply click on the field, which will attach the field to your mouse cursor, and drop it on the page with a click. To move a field, simply drag the field and position it in a new location. To resize a field, drag it from the edge. When you place or select a field, the Field Settings tab will slide out on the right. Here you can assign a different user to the field or manually set its position or dimensions. When you are done setting up your document fields, click Next to add a message. This message will be displayed to all users in the workflow via email and in the in-app notification system. Once done, click Next to set up the due date, change the email settings, or simply hit Send to release the workflow. You can track progress by visiting the Your Portfolios section or the Circulating basket. To switch back to the current version, simply hit the toggle switch in the top bar. To provide feedback on the system, please scan the QR code at the end of this video and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.